Leave everybody thanks, welcome to the bush. No, welcome to Mieliepap Plaaskombuis. Ja, daar is lekker place that I found here by Kempton Park. You know the park there by Kempton? Yeah, and nothing make my heart pump more custard than a lekker boertjie. So let's go see what I have to eat here. Can you see that? How's my groot hare looking? Yeah, I sommer get hot here by the collar. Guys, I think I'm hit my match. Yeah. All sorts of places here.
Ooh, you are making me wet, sir.
Sorry.
Do you like that?
I like a bietjie koek. I like your koek. Oh, your ouma se koek. No, I like your ouma se beskuit. And you? Don't you like wolves?
I've got to tell you.
What the bloody hell are that? Oh! My food poop on your food.
But I just want to tell you something.
Please.
Even though we have no power with this load shedding,
I've got power.
you still light
Somebody
up my
phone a
life.
Vic. These puppies are sick. Are you talking about electricity?
You are the electricity in my life. You light up my life.
Dan I burn like a candle in the wind.
Popeye the Sailor Man.
Okay.
Come back!
Sorry guys. I tried. But ek suig.